ESIM Japan review. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll take a look at this platform which provides us the opportunity to get an eSIM in Japan. So with the link in the description you'll come to this page and you'll get the best possible prices. We can find all the plans like unlimited data, 10 gigabytes and 3 gigabytes. And also if we'll scroll down, we'll be able to find all the cities we can buy eSIM for example Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto or Okinawa. And also we can find some world plans: Japan, Korea, Japan, China, Japan, Asia, Australia, Asia Unlimited or Global Unlimited. We can also click on See All Plans to discover all the plans available here. You can find them, but let's say that I would like to get the most popular, like unlimited data. So let's click on Buy Now to customize our plan. So here we can find the information. So we'll get like unlimited data with high speed every day. We'll connect to #1 Japan network, which is called KDDI. And also we'll get the QR code and we'll be able to activate our eSIM instantly, which is like really good. So we need to select the number of days we are going to stay in a country and also our plan. I'm going to use Pro. Let's click on Buy Now button. The next step, we need to provide them the opportunity to send us the QR code. So we need to input the email, we need to add the name, country and our phone device. After that, we can use a PayPal to pay or credit or debit card. And after that, everything is done. When you'll pay, you'll receive your QR code on your email and you are ready to activate the eSIM. As you can see, nothing really hard. Do not forget about the link in description, and I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.